Welcome! In this video, we will cover how you would locate approved estimates which have been converted into contracts and their associated work to-dos. Remember, estimates are made up of work to-dos. When an estimate is approved, those work to-dos are converted into visits to do. Knowing where to go in order to access these visits to do is just the first step in managing these contracted services for your customer. Once you have logged into your Field Central web account, navigate to the main menu and then select Visits. Click Open under Visits to Do. This will bring you to your Visits to Do log, which contains all visits which are required to be completed via their contract, in addition to some visits to do which are created ad hoc. Use the contract column to help identify which have an associated contract. From this log, you are able to filter as needed and, if desired, either mass schedule or create routes in Route Builder if the contracted work is reoccurring. Ready to give it a go? Navigate to your visits to do the next time you log in to help ensure you are completing all of your contracted visits.